Hey guys, it's Yaz with Redline Society, and today we're here with RS54. This is our 54th giveaway. It's an Audi RS6, and today we're going to go over all the modifications done to this vehicle, along with some of the stock features that make this vehicle so badass. So let's dive right in. We'll start with the biggest thing you guys will notice right away. This is a paint to sample factory color. It's RS Grün, which means it's a green color. This is the only one in the world painted in this exact color right here. If you move in closer, we'll show you guys. We added this beautiful hood here. This is a Darwin Pro IMP Performance carbon fiber hood. It's got a nice little window here in the front to show off a little bit of the engine. We'll talk about what's inside in a little bit here. Now up front, another cool feature. This is Audi's OEM Matrix headlights. They're super awesome. They got a super cool feature with the sequencing and the turn signals here. I'll show you real quick. Now down low, guys, we have our 1016 Industries carbon fiber front lip here. And along the sides, we have the OEM carbon fiber package for these grill slots here. That's done on both sides. Let's hop around the side here and we'll show you the wheels on all four corners. We have 22-inch forged Vossen wheels done in a gloss black. And behind that, you can see these giant carbon ceramic brakes. These have 10 pistons up front in the calipers here. And the rotors are 16.5 inches in diameter. Giant brakes. Now, some other features along the side here. This is another part that's part of the OEM carbon package here. We have the mirror caps, and along the sides here we have the 1016 Industries side skirts. Now another cool feature this car has on all four doors, it's got automatic soft closing doors. Let's get in here, we'll show you guys that feature. I'll go ahead and open, give it a little close. You'll see how it closes nice and softly there. Very nice feature. Now another thing I do want to mention, it is a little bright out here, it is a little hot out here. I won't be able to show you right now, but we'll go ahead and drop a clip in. Now, when you do open these doors, there'll be an RS logo that drops right here on the ground. It illuminates right on the floor there, and that is done on the front and also the back. Now, let's dive into the back here. Up top, we have 1016 Industries roof spoiler here, and down low, we added also 1016 Industries rear diffuser that's done over the top of the OEM carbon as well. Now, some of you may be asking about the exhaust. This is stock exhaust. It's the sport exhaust, and we'll go over some of the features that we've done to the exhaust to make it sound so good. All right, now under the hood, guys, one of the nice features about this hood, as you can tell, it does retain the strut placement here for the factory hood. Now, a lot of these hoods eliminate this, so I thought it was really nice to still have that feature on a carbon hood. Now under here, as you can tell, way more carbon, which we'll go over. Now this is a V8 twin turbo. It's a 4.0 liter. And as you can tell, all this carbon fiber was added here. So this is Inventory is the brand. This is the gloss carbon fiber engine cover, along with a Unitronic cold air intake. And it also comes with these billet aluminum turbo inlets, which obviously make the air shoot up to the turbos a little faster. And it also features, you'll see back here, the custom downpipes, and the exhaust also has resonator delete. And all that is put together on a custom tune to make this thing shell out a 820 horsepower. Now we'll turn it on, see how badass it sounds. Alrighty guys, now for the interior, as you can tell, it does have leather throughout. Now they call this a cognac leather, and as you can tell, some of the stitching, this is granite stitching all throughout. Now front seats have heated and ventilated seats. The rears are heated as well. It does have nice dry carbon throughout, all over the front of the dash here, also on the door panels. A little more of that cognac leather here with the granite stitching. Now let's get into some of the features here. This vehicle does have air suspension, and with the air suspension we added lowering links And now these lowering links, they go on the ride height level sensors, and they're fully adjustable, so we're able to change the stock ones out, the plastic stock ones, and add these billet ones that are fully adjustable, and we're able to make the ride lower but also keep it riding like factory. And now you're still able to go in here. You have your comfort, your auto, and your dynamic mode here. Now for dynamic, it also opens up your exhaust valves, and if you're looking for comfort, maybe you have a business call to do, you don't want to be disturbed so much, here you have nice and quiet. Now you are able to hit raise, and the vehicle will raise up to make sure you don't, hit a speed bump or something like that, or a nice dip in the road. As easy as that was, you can go ahead and hit the lower, and the vehicle will lower as well. On the side here, guys, you'll see RS1 and RS2. You can dive in deeper and fully edit this. As you can tell here, this is like an RS feature. Now the drive, you can pull it fully sport drive, which opens up the valves, or you can do a balanced drive. You can also do sport suspension, comfort, or balanced. Now that adjusts the way the shocks dampen, whether the ride's going to be soft or is going to be stiff. As well as for steering, you can pick more of a sporty, stiffer steering or more of a comfortable, soft steering. And here we have for the engine sound, you can make it nice and quiet, or you can make it loud. Now, Quattro with sport differential. This RS6 does have a rear sport differential, which means it's able to send power depending on when it needs it. Now, if you're making a turn and the left side's about to slide out, it'll go ahead and pull the power from the right side to keep it all well balanced. This is a Quattro model, which means it does have all-wheel drive full time, which is freaking awesome. Now, same thing with RS2, you can go ahead and basically edit as you want. Now, we have it set up where RS1 is a little loud, not too bad. Then we hit this RS2 button here. Now we make it super loud. And now for the days you don't want it loud at all, you need it nice and quiet because you're on a call, you hit this RS button again, and boom, we're in comfort. So now we have a nice soft ride and nice quiet ride. Now another cool thing about this car, it does have ambient lighting throughout. So we're able to get in here, go to interior lighting, and you can also choose the color. Now I have it set up for these lights. This is the ambient lighting. It's right in here. It also comes right down through here and through the dash as well. I have it set up for green to match the exterior of the vehicle, but you can go in here and pick red, maritime, which is a blue, Caribbean, which is like a teal color, which is really, really nice. Now, another cool feature about this vehicle that you definitely don't see every day, I thought was pretty neat, worth mentioning to you guys, is when the headlights are on and you need to go ahead and clean off the windshield, when you go ahead and hit the wiper lever here, these little jets do come out of the headlights and go ahead and wash off your headlights, which I thought was pretty cool, worth mentioning for sure. Now, another cool thing you don't see every day, this actually has a cigarette lighter here port, which I thought was pretty neat. You got dual cup holders. And here you have wireless charging. You have two USB-C ports there as well. Now you also have the drive select features that we kind of set up on the RS buttons here. You're able to go through here and click into this and go ahead and make it loud or again quiet. That's another quick way to get into those features. Now up top, this does have a panoramic sunroof. So you get a sunroof in the front and also the rear. Now the whole roof is glass throughout. So we'll go ahead and open the back one here for you guys so you can see that. We'll open both there. Beautiful. Some more features here in the infotainment system. Now this does have Android Auto and it also has wireless Apple CarPlay here. So you are able to go ahead and sync your phone, and you can go ahead and click on the Apple CarPlay, and this will have all the regular Apple style features. You'll have all your apps right in here. Now down here, something cool about the AC, I thought it was pretty nice. It does feature, not only does it have dual temperature control for each side, it also has dual speed control. So now if I'm really hot over here, I'll go ahead and turn it up all the way. If someone sitting in the passenger seat is cold, they can go ahead and turn their speed down low as well, which I thought was really nice. Another cool feature we'll go ahead and mention, we'll show you guys the rear wheels. This does have rear wheel steering, which is really, really nice. Now, something to note about the rear wheel steering, guys. If the vehicle is completely stopped, the vehicle may not steer in the rear as much as it would at higher speeds. Some other cool features on the interior. This vehicle does come with the Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound, which is amazing. The quality of the sound is insane. Super crisp, super loud, and just well versed all the way around, I'd say. Now, another cool feature is this heads-up display. You can go ahead and also customize it to have whatever you would like up top there. It comes with plenty of different features that you could add to the top to kind of customize it to exactly what you want to see up there. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now remember, this is our 54th giveaway, Audi RS6, that comes with $50,000 in cash. Now this is your chance to win a one-of-a-kind ride like this. This is a one-of-one factory RS Grün Green paint, fully protected with PPF, ceramic coated all throughout, V8 twin turbo pushing 820 horsepower with some badass carbon fiber all over. Now, if you want to find out more about this ride, hop on our website, check out the full build sheet, and grab some entries. Good luck, guys.